Hello, beautiful people. Today we're going to be beading this beautiful flag of Singapore that has got two colors, the red color and white color, and a moon at the left corner with 5 stars. Kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Like, comment, and share on these videos, and let's hop into making our keychain. So what you'll require is the 0.30 millimeters fishing line, a nail cutter, and also the size 10 seed beads, which are red and white colors. Okay, so we begin making our flag from the white side using the right angle weave pattern. As you can see, we've started with the 4 basic beads. Our today's tutorial is not a hard one. If you already know how to do the right angle weave perfectly, this is just going to be a simple walk in the park, because it's just 2 colors, and you're going to see how we do the moon and the 5 stars. So if anyone is watching this and understands the meaning of that moon and the 5 stars and the 2 colors, kindly let us know on the comment section down below the meaning of this beautiful Singapore flag. Okay, as you can see, we are already at the red part. We have started with the white side, and then we've gotten to the red part. It's half white, half red. The bottom is white, and then the upper side is white, is red. So what we're going to do is we have started from the left coming towards the right, and as you can see there, it already has we're already done making the first column. So we are starting the second column there, and as you can see, I know that you guys know how to make such a corner. This is a very simple task, and we have introduced the white beads, which are going to form the moon and the 5 stars. So we have started with the moon there, and we make our way towards the white section. So if you would love to maybe get detailed, slower paced, and maybe if you're a beginner, that is, we do have private videos that I can send to you, and there are private classes that if you would want to have maybe one-on-one or better comprehensive video on a specific topic or a specific design, you can let me know. The link to my contacts are down on the description below, so you can reach out to me, and we can be able to set up your own private class regarding the topic that you want to handle. Remember, guys, the skills that you get from these classes here are skills that you can easily monetize by making your own products and selling them to your friends, your family, or even clients. And this is something that has been done by other students. Other people have been able to monetize and make some extra money from just learning from these videos. And I also hope to inspire more of you to start beading, even if it's just as a hobby, and improve our beading culture. As you can see, we're done making the moon, which is basically like a letter C. So we continue and place the 5 stars, which are going to be next. So as you can see, it's not something that is hard. And these videos, some of them, we do make them so that we can be able to show the world how much detail, how much time, how much skill goes into making something like this, because some people don't appreciate the time and effort, maybe because they have never seen what goes on behind the scenes. Some have got a mentality that um, this is just something that you pick and it just flows and you have your end product in just a second. So at least by showing some people who are not acquitted to this skills, if you show them these videos, at least they can be able to see and appreciate the time and effort that goes into picking one bead at a time until you get to something like this key holder, because people tend to undervalue these products just because they do not know how much time and effort goes into making this. Remember, this is handmade. This is something that you train yourself to do over a long period of time before you master these skills to be able to do different designs. So you should have some confidence by showing your clients um, kind of something like this video, so that someone can get to understand how hard or easy it is to do this kind of work. Okay, because something like this took us more than 2 hours just to make the whole thing. It took over 2 hours, and it's something that needs a lot of concentration. Remember, in beadwork, once you make one simple mistake and you don't spot it at the beginning, you're going to pay using your time, because once you spot it, you're going to have to undo the whole thing, which is a very tedious process. So it really requires you to be on your A game. You really need to be focused and alert, so that you can be able to spot any mistake that you do very early. Okay, so as you can see there, we are done doing the moon and the 5 stars. I really hope you can see them, and I really hope I did this design justice. Kindly let me know on the comment section down below. And the other bit is just finishing with the red and white section, and then you make 2 pieces, because remember, this is a key holder that we are making. So make sure you have the 2 pieces. It's just a walk in the park, and then you align them like this. Once you have them aligned properly, you can begin binding them on the edge here. And remember, our moon and the 5 stars were on the left side. Okay, so align them like this, so that with every flip, every time you flip the key holder, once it's done, the moon and stars will always be on the left. That's why you see I've put them like that. Okay, so once it's folded and done, they are going to align properly. So I know you guys remember how to bind like this. Okay, you put the fishing line through the right side there, and you pull it, and then on the left side you pass it through the left bead like that, and then once it's passed, you pull it And then here we're going to pick one red bead, and then you crisscross there, and then you pull. You should have something that looks like this, and then you repeat the very same process until you're done binding your beautiful key holder. So you just repeat the same thing. You pass the fishing line on the right through the right side, the left through the left side, and then you pick one red bead, and then you crisscross. This depends with where you are. When you get to the white side, you're going to use white beads, but just one bead at a time when you're binding. Okay, guys? And this is something that we've done on a numerous number of tutorials. You can check them out on our playlist. We have a variety of other tutorials. We have done flags of different places, we've done animations, we've done you name it. And also you can suggest what you'd like us to do down on the comment section below, and we will do your request once we get to it. Okay, guys? Remember, guys, this skill set can really help you get some extra money, make some extra income just by doing this beading. Even if it's a hobby, you just spare some free time, and you can be able to perfect your skills and also sell it to a lot of people. And if you manage to do so, kindly let me know on the comment section down below. And also, guys, remember we have our community tab where we do post a variety of different things like upcoming videos, upcoming tutorials. Also, we post things that other beaders or other students have been able to do. So kindly don't forget to pass by our community tab and be part of the community. We also post questionnaires that help us improve these videos that we do for you guys. So don't forget to pass by the community tab, check it out, leave a comment or leave a vote, and let's help build this community to be bigger. So as you can see, we are done binding all the three sides. Okay, and this loop here we have left for the keyring, and that hole we've done. We are going to pass this flat piece of plastic that will make this key holder more firm. Okay, like that. And then on the top side we are going to put our keyring there. That loop that we've just done, we're going to put our keyring, and then we should have something like this. And you finish by binding this part here. Okay, so remember, you just need a flat piece of plastic. You cut it properly, and you should have your end product that looks like this. So guys, in the comment section down below, kindly let me know if I did justice to this flag, and if you've managed to watch until this point, really love to say a big thanks to you guys. And you can let me know the next video you'd love to see on the comment section down below. Thank you guys, and see you on the next video.